All right, welcome back to eSIM Studio. So I'm going to do a product review of the Crystal View Liquid Screen Protector. So here's step one. You have to clean the display, which I already did on these devices. Clean the display on here. So we're going to clean the display, allow the devices to dry completely. These are dry. Remove all traces of the cleaner and any lint thoroughly. So you're going to clean it with this. You're going to let it dry. You are going to apply number 2, let it dry, sit for 30 minutes, and then you're going to buff it out with the microfiber cloth. So here's what we are going to do. Let me go ahead. We're going to do the watch first. Now we are going to hit the signature with the cleaning wipe. You can also apply this to laptops on their displays as well. In the same process, just simply clean it off with the cleaning wipe that was provided. Clean it, get it dry with the microfiber, and then what we're going to do is hit it with the protector wipe. So you see how it looks like car wax? That's what I can best. That's the best comparison for this product. It essentially puts a layer of wax, of like a buffer wax, on your display. And look, there's the signature. You can see how it looks as if it's just coated on there. There we go. So here's what I'm going to do. I got some microfiber cloths. They gave me one, but I guess we'll use this. And then I got my laptop I did over here real quick too. That is incredible. Look at this. I mean, that's about as smooth. That's probably smoother than the glass from when you get it from the manufacturer. I mean, I cannot remember my glass. It doesn't even feel like you're touching glass. It feels like you're touching air. I don't even know how to describe it. Now, let me hit the laptop real quick. That's what the laptop looks like. I'll be right back. All right. Wow, is that incredible? Check that out. It's literally like a mirror. It is like a freaking mirror. Insane. It's like, I'm telling you, it is incredible how smooth it is. I mean, it literally, every time I apply these to my devices, and I've never made a video about it, but I was like, you know what? It's time I do make a video. And again, I'm not making any claims. This is not going to add any durability to your screen. I don't think it's going to protect your device from any drops. So that part I don't believe. But what I do believe is that it is as smooth as butter. Literally smooth as butter. Feels like you got some butter on here and you're moving your hand across the display, a buttery display. So if you want to give your device a nice clean wax, if you want it to feel brand new, because I know a lot of the devices that are a couple years old, they start to lose its olophobic coating. The older a device gets, the more use a device gets. This will bring back your olophobic coating. This will bring back the smoothness of your glass, and you are not going to regret it. I can promise you that. So I'm going to put a link of this down below in the description box. Enjoy, and see you on the next one. Wow. Incredible.